Okay, I hope that you people just get the idea about how the gases are exchanging inside the plants. So once again, we can have you can say a quick recapitulation of the all concept in our today's topic. In our first, you can say lecture regarding the gaseous exchange. First of all, we talk about the main processes through which the gaseous exchange is happening uh, among the living organisms. So first one was the breathing. Breathing is a physical activity in which a specialized organs like lungs are involved. So in the breathing, what we are doing in particularly, we are taking an oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, while the other major, you can say, process which is happening in each and every single living cell inside our body. If our body is made up of trillion of million, a million or trillion of the cells, each and every living cell is supposed to do the cellular respiration. Why they're supposed to do the cellular respiration? Because our cells are having the glucose which we get from the food. The glucose is present in the form of CH bond. Okay, so basically in the cellular respiration, our cells are supposed to break down these CH bonds to release the energy and to give out all the carbon dioxide which is present there. Okay, so in particularly, cellular respiration is of two types, that is the aerobic and the aerobic cellular respiration. Then we go through the in more detail, we go through the gaseous exchange in the plants. Yes, plants are doing the gaseous exchange. They are having no specialized organs. Their each and every cell is involved for this purpose. Each and every part is involved for this purpose. For example, in leaves, at the backside of the leaves, stomata are present, which are doing the which are the small pores which are responsible for the exchange of gases from the leaf. Even in few leaves, even the upper side, which is the cuticle layer, even this cuticle layer is having the specialized structure which is doing the you can say exchange of gases also. Then we are having the woody stem. It's having this special pores that we call the lenticels. Gaseous exchange is taking place through these lenticels. Whenever we talk about the roots are also again having the small pores which are responsible for the exchange of gases. And whenever we talk about the aquatic plants basically are those plants which are living inside the water. So they are taking the oxygen which is diffused inside the water, and they are even giving out the carbon dioxide to the surrounding, which is the water there. So basically the aquatic plants are having their gaseous exchange inside the water. I hope so that you people just able to understand this all. My today's task is that you people can thorough read the page number 2 and 3 of your book. I think so. I think so. It's good for you people to have your biology copy or any register which you just divide the register having a portion of the biology. Our today's task is that you people can first of all define the following terms. In that you can in particularly talk about the cellular respiration and breathing. First of all, you can from the page 2 thorough read it, the upper portion of the page 2, thorough read it for 3 times, and then try to write it by yourself about the two definitions, one called cellular respiration and other called breathing. Then my next task is that you people can just draw this picture, the crossword section of the leaf here. And yes, here you can give the small headings here. For example, you can just start with the general introduction of the plant. Then first of all give the heading gaseous exchange inside leaf. So here whenever we talk about the gaseous exchange inside leaf, here on this page, if it's clear to everyone, from this portion you people can start with the gaseous exchange for the leaf. Turn the page. Here we are having the first paragraph, which is again telling us in detail about the two situations in which the leaf is acting in a different way for the gaseous exchange. Even this portion is coming for the gaseous exchange in the leaves. Then second one here, gaseous exchange in the woody stems. Give the second heading, gaseous exchange in the woody stems. Then give the heading gaseous exchange in the young roots, and finally gaseous exchange in the aquatic plants. This is all about my today's task. Hope that you people enjoy this all, and have a good time at home. I think so. I can trust you people that you people will reread it, this 2 pages, page number 2 and 3 of your book, at least for the 3 times. And before my next lecture, you people should be very, you can say, clear for the concept cellular respiration, for the concept breathing, for the concept how the gaseous exchange is taking place inside the plants. Allah Hafiz. Have a good time at home and stay tuned with me.